guys, I'm Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and this is just kind of an update video. I wanted to let you guys know that I've kind of been I've been going back and forth for a while lately and wanting to switch things up. I get kind of into a creative rut sometimes where I just have so many different things that I like to do besides just sewing and quilting and cross stitching. I also like to just start a new hobby sometimes. And lately that has been painting, watercolor painting specifically. And I just kind of feel a little bit trapped by the Wildberry quilting channel, just like limiting it down to that one singular type of creative outlet. And that's just not really who I am. So I'm actually changing the name of the channel to Wildberry Studios. And that way I can still do the quilting and, you know, sewing, cross stitch, all that stuff, but I can also do any of the other, I can share with you guys my other creative endeavors as well. Things like my paintings, for example, or if I decide to pick up something like pottery in the future or whatever else. And I know that realistically, this really isn't the best way to cater to the YouTube algorithm because they tend to favor creators who just find one niche and lean into that. But that's just not who I am. So rather than trying to continue to cater to the whims of YouTube and pretend to be something that I'm not, I am just going to go full steam ahead and change the name to Wildberry Studios and start sharing with you guys everything that I want to share with you guys because I can't just get roped down into one singular niche thing. That's just not me. And I doubt that that's a lot of you guys too. I think a lot of you guys like to dabble in different things. So maybe this will give you guys a chance to see some new and different mediums, creative outlets that you haven't considered yet. So I just want to let you guys know if you see a difference in the name, that's why. I've changed it and now we are Wildberry Studios. So keep an eye out because I don't know which of these videos I'm going to put out first, but I'm going to today also be filming my first journal flip through and I'm super excited about it. I've had so much growth just in this one journal that I'm really excited to share that. All right, guys, I look forward to seeing you guys again. Thank you so much for watching this little bit of rambling update, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.